Hi peeps, welcome back to my channel. You guys know that I love playing with vegan and cruelty-free cosmetics, but I'm also a volunteer at Aimee's Farm Animal Sanctuary in Gilbert, Arizona. It is an absolute honor to spend my Tuesdays with Aimee, my friends, and all of the babies here at the sanctuary. It is truly a pleasure, and sit back, relax, and enjoy all of the lovelies from Aimee's Farm Animal Sanctuary.
Is it funny? Is it funny?
Zina, he was the size of a little football when he got here.
Yeah,
Winston?
a year and a half ago.
Oliver.
Ollie?
And his ears were they were so floppy, they're floppy now. But you know what? We thought he would grow into his ears, right? Yeah. But his ears just grew. So, yeah.
Good girl.
Azalea is such a good chicken mom. She is clearly a turkey, but she hatched one of the chicken's eggs, and now she is a full-time mom to a little chick, and it is absolutely the most adorable thing I've ever seen.
Where's your baby? Where's your chicken baby? Is that your chicken baby? Is that your chicken baby right there? You're such a good mommy. Hi Bella. How's Bella today? You enjoying your little house? You enjoying your little house here? Oh, Bella. The baby. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. This is Scooter. This is our little handicapped unicorn goat. He only has one horn, and he is just the sweetest pea. Oh, newest addition to our family. This is Tina. Hi, honey. Hi. Little baby. Little baby.
You guys, this is Mutilda. She's about to have a baby. Aimee rescued her from a farm when she was pregnant, and the owner of the farm branded her and put the little tags in her ears and was actually going to send her to slaughter once she gave birth. So Aimee quickly scooped her up, and now she is a permanent member of the family here at the sanctuary. And we all can't wait to meet the new little Zebu baby. Oh, and here comes King.
Yummy. Good girl.
What Tinkerbell? Hi. Hi, honey. Hi, baby. That's the baby, Adorable. Adorable was rescued from the side of the road. A good Samaritan saw him and picked him up and brought him to Aimee. And Aimee has saved his life by hand feeding him, and now he's a strong little boy. He's a byproduct of the meat industry, and he was deemed useless, and he was dumped along the side of the road. And that is the reality of what happens to these guys. So cute. Oh, baby. These are my loves. Coco, Butterscotch, and Fub.
What's up, you creepy babies?
Who has the sparkly hooves?
So I'm starting to learn that this is like a thing. Like the cows get to rest for a while, but then the horses go over there and, well, they don't want the shade. Harriet! Hi, Elfie. Okay, girl. Aw, that's so sweet, baby. Yeah.
All right, so tell us the story of this magnificent sign.
This sign used to be on the pallet shed, actually, out in the pasture. The pallet shed had to come down.
Okay.
And of course, we didn't want to lose this beautiful piece of art. So it lived on Oliver's gate to his pen for a while. It was too heavy. It was sinking in the mud.
Right there.
We didn't want it to get used by the elements. So found a good place for it.
Well, I think it looks magnificent.
Thank you.
And I love how you hung it on these hooks. That is really sturdy. So beautiful. And this is Rocky, the greatest of all time. Oh, dear Rock. Zoe following you?
She's got my trust, you see.
Yeah. Oh.
I think you guys can see why Tuesday is the happiest day of the week for me. Thank you so much for joining myself and my friends and all the babies from Aimee's Farm Animal Sanctuary, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.